Good evening, everyone. My name is Niyati, and I'm a junior counselor at Intelligent Partners. If you have joined this session today, I'm sure you must have had dreams or started planning for your bachelor's or master's abroad. Let me introduce you a little on Intelligent Partners. We are the leading education consultants in the UAE, and we have been helping students with their higher education process. We are dedicated to guide students to study in English-speaking countries across the globe, and we've been in the market for more than 15 years. Our network of talented experts with a collective knowledge of over 50 years will be there to guide you and help you identify and secure an admission at a university or college where you can succeed. IP counselors are here to help you turn your dreams and plans of studying abroad into a reality of proficient success and growth. We combine our vast experience in the education industry and the latest technology available to help you make the most informed decision possible. We have partnered with more than 650 leading universities, schools, colleges across Canada, Europe, US, UK, and Australia. With access of database of over 180,000 courses and programs, we are sure that we can help you find what fits you best. Applying to universities, as we know, can be intimidating, and even more if you're still trying to choose the right universities for yourself. But you don't need to worry about that, as Intelligent Partners are here to help you with the entire process. And today I'm going to give you some exclusive tips of making your applications procedures easier. So first of all, choosing your right destination is the topmost priority, as all countries have different application procedures and you must keep yourself updated accordingly. We will help you in comparing the different study destinations and guide you on which may be the right fit for you. Then we will make sure that you have a note of all the university and visa deadlines marked in your calendar. We help you in the collection of documents for the whole application process, including essays, transcripts, and recommendation letters. This can take a while, so the earlier you start, the better it will be. Second, and the next step is to set goals. While applying to universities abroad, setting dream goals and realistic goals is very important. Even though applying to dream universities is overwhelming, you must apply to some of the backup options too. Always try to set some personal goals as well for yourself. Ask yourself, what is your career choice? How will applying to a university abroad help you in achieving your career goals? And then dig and research on universities that will accelerate your career path. The counselor here at Intelligent Partners are here to guide you at every step to help you in setting realistic goals for your chosen career path. The next step is to write an extraordinary personal statement. Your personal statement or essay is your true gem that helps you shine in the entire application process. It should be perfectly written to explain why you are the perfect match for the university and must express commitment of living and staying in that country as an international student. We do assist students in structuring and further editing the statement of purpose. Intelligent Partners guide students on the financial documents, on visa applications, accommodation assistance, and many more. So do not hesitate to contact us at any time during the entire application process. We will be able to guide you through the whole process, from choosing the right university, helping you with your essays, country selections, scholarships, accommodation, and more. Thank you. I see here we have a few questions. So Annie Samuel has written, my sister is planning to do MBA abroad. Do you help with university applications? Yes, of course. We do help with university applications for bachelor's as well as master's and PG programs. So we would be able to guide you with the entire process, like mentioned earlier, with country selection, university selection, your essays, scholarships, etc. I have another question that was similar to the one above. Do you help with masters and MBA admissions? Yes, like I mentioned just now, we do assist students with masters and MBA admissions. It would be great if you could come to our office, as our office is always sanitized and it is safe to meet all of us. So you can come to the office and speak in detail about your application process. I have a question from Manisha. Any universities offering scholarships for master students in the UK? Yes, there are many universities that offer scholarships. Again, it depends on which course you're looking into, and then we will be able to guide you further on which universities and would be the great option for you, and which of them have scholarship options. There is a question from Bijita. Hi, Bijita. What is virtual mentoring? So, virtual mentoring is basically a process in which you have a designated professor that will be helping you and guiding you through a research or any particular topic that you or a subject that you have chosen, and this will help you in understanding in more detail about that particular subject, and in turn will help you with your application procedures. I have a question from Ranjana. Hi Ranjana, I see that you are planning to apply for Canada, and just want to know if it's too late for this September. So I would say you're not that late. We would still have some options available for you. Again, it depends on, are you looking into bachelor's or are you looking into a master's or PG. So it'll be best if you could get in touch with us. I will be leaving my details over here, so we can talk in detail, and then I can guide you if you have many options available or not. Hi, Ikan and Cynthia. Please, do you help with Masters to Europe? Yes, we do help with bachelor's and master programs in Europe as well. We help with all the countries, so you need not worry about that. We can give you a detailed list of the universities you can apply to. Hi Manisha, I have a question here from you. Do you help to apply for Masters Engineering in Ireland? Yes, we do help with Masters programs in Ireland as well. So, like I mentioned, it will be great if you can just get in touch with us, and we will be able to guide you further on that. Hi, Mr. Robin. I see that you've written that your brother needs help with essays. So yes, of course, we do help students with essay, and definitely we cannot write the essay for them, but we are there to guide them, and we help them in structuring the essays as well of what is required from a university depending on which course they are looking into. So our counselors here are dedicated to help them in preparing the best essay possible. I have one more question here from Gauri. What online programs do you have for the summer? So yes, we do have a lot of online courses and programs that we are offering students this summer, out of which students can choose to have one-on-one online sessions with representatives or professors from US directly. These courses are into the computing or computer courses like web development, C++, and apart from that we also have options for students to do virtual internships, and these are the kind of online programs we have for students that will help them in gaining more credits, in having more experience before they apply to the universities. I have a question from Daniel. I want to start my application to Canada for September 2021 intake. So when should I start applying to universities? So as I had mentioned earlier, gathering all your documents and getting everything in place takes a bit of a time. So it would be good if you could get in touch with us as soon as possible, so we can help you in getting all your documents in place, and then we can start applying for universities by November, December. But it would be great if you could start gathering all your documents, your financial statements and everything by now. I have a question from Chandni. Do you offer virtual internships? Yes, we do have options for high school students as well as university students for virtual internships, and these will be with top companies across the globe, and this will definitely help students to gain experience and will learn more about how the company works, and they can do this while they are at home or they're traveling. So this is a very good opportunity for students. So I see another question from Mr. Robin. Yes, if you would like to meet Viral Doshi, we do book appointments for the same. You can get in touch with us. In fact, I will leave all the details here at the end, and just get in touch with us and we will be booking you a session as and when he is coming to Dubai. So if you can see, I've just left my details over there. You can get in touch with me. And hi Len, hi. Are there universities still accepting applications, and which countries? Yes, definitely. There are universities still accepting applications for September 2020. We would definitely need to look into which course you're looking into. But all countries, the US, UK, Canada, Europe, there would be some universities that are still accepting applications. So just get in touch with us and we will be happy to give you the right information. I see one question from Bijita again for virtual internships. So yes, Bijita, like I mentioned earlier, we do have virtual internships for students. Again, it is at the high school level as well as the university level, and you can get in touch with us and we will be giving you more details on the same. Hi Annie, can you tell me more about study options for MBA in Europe? So yes, like I mentioned, you can apply for masters and MBA programs in Europe, and we help with applications to all the countries across Europe. So you can look into Germany, Netherlands, Poland, Hungary, Italy, all these places, and we are happy to help you with your applications to Europe as well. Just get in touch with us on the number that I have mentioned below, and yeah, we will be happy to give you the information. So looks like the questions are over for now. I would just like to inform all of you that yes, we are open in office right now and you can visit us. We do sanitize our office on a regular basis, and we also have parking, which was almost difficult earlier, but definitely now we have the parking available as well. If you want, you can also choose for the online counseling session as an alternative. So yes. Hi Annie. So yes, I can give you information on ID Tech. It's moreover, so students get an option to do online courses with professors from US. Simultaneously, they can also do a virtual tech camp wherein they meet other students across the globe, and the topics are covered like computer courses such as game development, C++, Python, Minecraft. So these are the type of courses that students are looking into, and it would be great because they can be done in different sessions. We have a one hour session. We have some that can take 5 sessions. There are possibilities of taking more than 10 sessions as well. So it depends on what course you're looking into, and you will learn a lot about that particular subject. So yes, you can definitely, this is what ID Tech is about, and you can get in touch with us and we can help you with in detail with what all courses are available, and we can guide you on that. I hope that answers your question, Annie. I had actually seen a question over here. I'm not sure it has gone, but yes, we do conduct workshops. Usually we have workshops even in our office, but due to the current situation and as a lot of things have come online, we do conduct workshops in our, on Zoom. So recently we had conducted a robotics workshop. Soon we are planning to have a cybersecurity workshop as well. So yes, we do have a lot of engaging activities for the students, and we also have a lot of webinars that we are conducting. So you can actually go on to our website. I'll just write that here, and register for the series of webinars that we conduct. These webinars are from university representatives, either talking about the university, giving you updates, latest updates after COVID situation, or as we mentioned, we have workshops for students as well. So thank you everyone for joining today, and I have left my details. I have left our website details as well. Do go on to it, check out. You can even register for our webinars or get in touch with us for your application procedures, and we will be happy to help you. See you.